In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Card. If you're building a one-page site in Card, pages are really sections stacked vertically. Linking a button or a menu item to a specific section lets visitors jump straight to what they need. Here's how to set that up from start to finish. First, head over to card.co and open your dashboard. Choose the project you want to work on so the editor loads. Before adding links, make sure your layout is divided with section breaks. These act like anchor points on the page. If you already have them, great. Click one to select it, then look for its name. Copy that name exactly. A quick tip, keep section names short and memorable and avoid spaces. Using dashes is a safe choice. Each section should have a unique name so your links don't get confused. Next, choose the element you want to turn into a link. I'll use a button in this example, but the process is the same for text links, images, or icons. With the element selected, expand its options by opening the drop-down to reveal more settings. Then find the URL field. In the URL field, type the hash symbol followed by the section name you copied, like hashtag pricing or hashtag contact. The hash tells Card this is an on-page link and the name points to the exact section. This is what creates the smooth jump or scroll to that part of your site. Double check the spelling here. Even a small typo will break the link. When you're happy, click Done to confirm the change. Now save your work. Saving keeps the update in your project, but to test it live, you'll also want to publish to your Card site. Publishing pushes the latest changes to your domain or Card URL. Once publishing finishes, click View Site to open the live page in a new tab. Test the link by clicking the button you edited. You should be taken directly to the section below the matching section break. If it doesn't work, return to the editor and verify three things: that the section break exists, that its name is unique and exactly matches what you typed after the hash, and that the element's URL is set correctly. Repeat these steps for each button or menu item you want to link, and you'll have clean, intuitive navigation across your one-page Card site.